Multiplying Magic, Polynomials Unraveled. Hey everyone! Welcome to another engaging lesson in our GMAT and GRE Math Concepts series. Today, we're diving deep into the world of algebra, focusing on a fundamental topic: multiplying polynomials. Whether you're new to polynomials or need a quick refresher, this video is for you. A polynomial is a mathematical expression consisting of variables and coefficients. These expressions can be summed up or subtracted from one another. You might recognize them in forms like 3 by 2 plus 4x minus 73x squared plus 4x 73 by 2 plus 4x minus 7 or y3 minus 2y2 plus 5y caret 3 to 2y squared plus 5y3 minus 2y2 plus 5. They are the building blocks of many mathematical equations. Multiplying polynomials helps us in solving complex equations and understanding functions' behaviors. For instance, it's like taking two separate ideas, each polynomial, and combining them to produce a new, more complex idea. Remember when you multiplied numbers like 23 times 1223? Times 1223 times 12? You used the distributive property to multiply each digit. Similarly, when we multiply polynomials, we distribute each term in the first polynomial with every term in the second polynomial. This is often called the FOIL method for binomials. For example, consider multiplying x plus 2 times x minus 3, x plus 2 times x3, x plus 2 times x minus 3. First terms, x times x times x times x gives x2 x squared x2. Outer terms, x times minus 3x times minus 3x times minus 3 gives minus 3 by minus 3x minus 3x. Inner terms, 2 times x2 times x2 times x gives 2 by 2 by 2x. Last terms, 2 times minus 32 times minus 32 times minus 3 gives minus 6 to 6 minus 6. Combining them, we get x2 minus 3x plus 2x minus 6x caret 2 to 3x plus 2x 6x2 minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, or simplified, x2 minus x minus 6x squared x 6x2 minus x minus 6. 1. Organize. Lay out the terms clearly, so you don't miss any. 2. Consistent distribution. Make sure every term in the first polynomial gets multiplied with every term in the second polynomial. 3. Combine like terms. Once you've finished multiplying, always look to simplify by combining like terms. 4. Practice. As with many math concepts, the key is consistent practice. And there you have it. With these steps and a little practice, multiplying polynomials becomes a breeze. I hope this video has illuminated the process for you. Until next time, keep practicing, and remember, algebra is just a puzzle waiting to be solved.